नवयोग शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ चापोली, संजीवनी महाविद्यालय चापोली, ॲफिलेटेड बाय स्वामी रामानंद तीर्थ मराठवाडा युनिव्हर्सिटी नांदेड. गुड मॉर्निंग all the student of class BSCSY, subject zoology. Name of the paper comparative anatomy and physiology, paper number 7th, semester 3rd, unit number 2nd, nutrition. Today's topic is the vitamins. Presented by myself, Dr. Thorat Mandakini Manohar, Assistant Professor and HOD of Zoology Department. Yes, student, in the last period, we see the nutrition. As related nutrition, we see the essential food is made by carbohydrate, protein, fats and the vitamins. Yes, today we learn about what is the vitamins and what is the importance of vitamin in our life. First, what is meant by vitamins? The vitamins are defined as the small organic molecules present in the diet which are required in the small amount. Most of the vitamins are not synthesized in the body and hence they must be supplied in the diet. However, few vitamins are synthesized in the body, though most of them are present in the diet. As such, some are present as a precursor. The precursor form of vitamins are called provitamins. In the body, these provitamins are converted to the vitamins. Generally, vitamins are classified into the two groups or the two types: fat soluble vitamin and the water soluble vitamin. First is the fat soluble vitamins. Generally, these vitamins A vitamin, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. They have the some common properties. They are fat soluble. They required bile salt for the absorption. They are stored in the liver. They are stable to normal cooking condition and they are excreted in the feces. These are the fat soluble vitamin. They are generally vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. Fat soluble vitamin. Second type is the water soluble vitamins. They are the members of vitamin B complex and vitamin C. Their common properties are they are soluble in the water. That is called water solubility. Except the vitamin 12, others are not stored. Unstable to normal cooking condition and they are excreted in the urine. These are the water soluble vitamins. That is the vitamin B complex and vitamin C. These are the two main types or groups of vitamin is the fat soluble vitamin and water soluble vitamin. Yes, these vitamins, they are important because they are the biological importance. Vitamins are essential for growth, maintenance and reproduction. However, they are not used for the energy production. Fat soluble vitamins are required for the normal color vision, blood clotting, bone formation and maintenance of membrane structure. Third importance is most of the water soluble vitamins function as coenzyme or the prosynthetic groups of several enzymes involved in the carbohydrates, lipids and amino acid metabolism, etc. Fourth importance, vitamins A and D act as a steroid hormones. Fifth importance, deficiency of the fat soluble vitamins produce the night blindness, skeletal deformation, hemorrhages, and hemolysis. Also, the importance like the deficiency of water soluble vitamins, also they produce the very disease, Gloucester disease, Pellagra disease, microcytic anemia, megatoblastic anemia, and scurvy. Also, some vitamins analogues are used as a drugs. For example, folic acid analogous, they are used as the anti-cancer agent and antibiotics. Moderate consumption of some vitamins is found to decrease the occurrence or severity of the some diseases. For example, carotenes, vitamin E and vitamin D consumption at a moderate level reduces incidence of cancer and cardiovascular diseases. Also, consumption of vitamin C is significant amount reduces severity of the cold. They slow down aging process also. However, excessive consumption of the fat soluble vitamin leads to toxicity. Vitamin B2, folic acid and vitamin B4 are beneficial to the coronary artery disease patient. They lower the plasma hemocytin levels. These are the different biological importance of the vitamins. That is, the vitamin is important for our life. Next period, goodbye the student. Next period we see the details of these types or groups of vitamins. Yes, goodbye.